We've done 3 integrations. The first one took 5 business days from start to finish. Second one, same thing, took a week. And then by the third one, I was getting pretty comfortable and it took 3 days. So having that kind of confidence in a team that you're partnering with is one of the best things you can do. We help other software companies turn security into a competitive advantage. They can collaborate on security reviews that are assisted with AI, and we're really trying to put trust at the front of the software discussion. So my role at Trustpage is as a senior software engineer. I build the features that bring value to our customers. Teams like to use different tools. So even though we provide a dynamic trust center that security teams love to live and work in, there's other tools that, for example, salespeople like to live and work in, or engineers. Some customers needed to have the different ways for their team to interact and not just have it wasn't a one-size-fits-all thing. They needed to have the integrations to help them feel comfortable signing up. I'm also a pretty business-minded engineer myself, so buying products to allow us to focus on our core competency is something that I believe in personally. So we did a proof of concept with Paragon, we did a proof of concept with a competitor as well. We built out basically a sample integration and compared the 2 solutions along a bunch of different benchmarks and, to help us make our choice about where to move forward. Obviously, Paragon checked all the boxes or else we wouldn't be here. Documentation right away was really solid, and I could see steps 1 through X on how to get a Salesforce integration up. Security practices like authentication, like I mentioned, that worked out for us well. The speed was really good. The workflow builder was really easy to use, so we could see really quickly how we can spin up these integrations. The feature set worked out for us. But I would say the real winner for Paragon was the account support and the technical support that we got from Paragon's team. Specifically, I'll call out Sean Victory and Brandon Fu were just incredible, very available Slack channel that we could just chat with ad hoc. They were extremely responsive, extremely knowledgeable about their own product. And if I did have a specifically technical question, they could interface really quickly with the engineering team and get back to me. We even made feature requests, and they were very quick to respond with timelines on getting those features into the product, and they hit those timelines. We even made a few improvements, that have come in from the product side, and some stuff, especially when it's only on Paragon side, using the interface to upgrade the modal or a little bit of the functionality. Like some of that stuff can be done same day. So I know for certain that it saved us quite a bit of time using Paragon and the implementation side. So there was 3 main pieces that I thought we would have had to build. We would have had to build the event-driven API on our side. We would have had to build the integration-specific business logic for every integration that we wanted to do. And then we would have had to interface with the company wanted to integrate with as well. So I'm looking at there, probably about 3 to 4 weeks to get an integration out. We're really excited at the possibilities. We've looked at the custom integration builder. We've looked at other kinds of companies and tools that we can integrate with. And ultimately, the goal is to make trust as simple as possible for our customers to use and the tools that they're most comfortable with. What we're doing is we are pushing those resource requests into the CRMs, into Slack, so that non-security folks like salespeople are able to see those requests and say, yes, this is my prospect. They're allowed to see this and approve the request. The salesperson can get a notification as well to say, hey, this was viewed. You should follow up with this prospect, make sure they have what they need, and maybe push them into the next steps. It really is shortening up that sales cycle, give the teams some of their time back, close deals a lot faster, and like I said, make trust a competitive advantage for software companies. And we're really excited about it.